In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Outgrid, a multi-purpose Elementor WordPress theme. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my SIP panel, as in that's my WordPress dashboard. Yes, my WordPress dashboard. For my WordPress dashboard, my sidebar, I see all this. When I go to appearance, add new theme, because I've already got my theme. Upload theme, click on choose file. Okay. I select Outgrid. Click on open, then install now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then I click on activate. Install required plugins. So next, let me go to my site. Right click to open a new tab. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Here it. I didn't import the demo, but from here this is how it looks like. Now I have installed my theme. So look at the sidebar, all the stuff, dashboard. Let me go to my appearance again and see maybe I can do anything there. Okay, Outgrid. Yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use our buy me coffee link in the description to buy me coffee. Thank you.